He's going back into the server room. Now he's heading up the stairs. And then he took a right. And he's gonna take a... Oh man, he's getting fucking finger fucked. He's one fuck... Oh fuck. Say hello to Jimmy's mom for me.
You're coming from everywhere.
If you don't want to end up like Jimmy's mom, meet me up on the bridge and quit hiding down. Don't go down those fucking stairs. Get on the bridge. You're gonna fucking die. Look, man, I'm at 42 health. You just have to fiddle my pooter and I'll fucking die. Why aren't you on the fucking bridge? Okay, there you go. Hide behind the pillar. I'm coming up the stairs.
Oh my god, what's...